I will show you how to make these cute dancing paper dolls using paper cups. It's so easy to make and so fun to play with. And these are the materials you will need for this paper craft. First, we will start making the body. Draw a circle, cut it out, cut a piece of the circle, make a cone-like shape and glue. Now let's make the head. Draw a smaller circle, draw a neck under it and cut it out. Draw and color eyes, nose and mouth. You may use paper or yarn to make the hair. To make the arms, cut a rectangular shape, fold it in half to make it thicker, and cut 2 small circles to make the hands. Now we need to combine the body with the cup. Cut a piece of wire, wrap it around the pan to make a wire spring. Glue the wire spring on the paper cup. The easiest way to do that is to use a glue gun, which is extremely hot and you need to be very careful while using it. You may make as many paper cup dolls as you want, and you may also use them as hand puppets. Hope you enjoyed paper doll craft we made with paper cups. If you liked the video, please hit the like button now and share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to subscribe, as I'll be uploading easy to make, fun to play with craft videos every week. Thanks for watching my video. Bye!